dentist. I am John and I am a dentist. I check your teeth and gums. Some patients come to my office with very bad toothaches. I treat all my patients properly and tell them to smile always in my I love to sing. Number 1. John is A. Doctor. B. Teacher. C. Dentist. The answer is dentist. Number 2. John, check your teeth and A. Hair. B. Tongue. C. Gums. The answer is gums. Number 3. How does John treat his patient? A. Properly. B. Badly. C. Happily. The answer is properly. Number 4. What does John love to do in his free time? A. Dance. B. Sing. C. Sleep. The answer is sing.